In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now tap on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Finally, you can click on your photos right away in order to add them. If you wish to, you can also select folders. Hold your photo that you wish to add, and then tap on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!